Hello everyone, my name is Asghar. In this video we will discuss about subset, superset, universal set and some related terminologies with them. Okay, so let's start in very short time, just in 3 minutes. Okay, subset, what is a subset? When set A is said to be subset of B, when every member of A is also member of set B. Okay, here set A has members 1, 2, 3 and all these members are also member of B and B also have more members than that. Okay, so A is subset of B. This is known as subset. This is symbol of subset, and subset has two types. One is proper subset and another is improper subset. Proper subset when B has some more elements than A. A is proper subset, means it has 3 elements, it has more than 3 elements, so it's proper subset. When and improper subset when the set has same members, means equal sets are improper to each other. Here A has members 1, 2, 3 and C has members 2, 1, 3. So A is improper subset of C and C is improper subset of A. Both are improper set of each other and we can say them these are equal sets. And superset A is subset and B is superset. B is superset of A. That's simple. And power set means all possible set of all possible subsets of any set. That's known as power set. For example, it is denoted by P of A. For example, A has members 1, 2, 3. If we find all possible subsets of it and close in bracket, that's known as power set. For example, power set of this means all possible subsets. First, null set of 1 element, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3. These are possible subsets. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All sets we have written together, closed in bracket. Okay, and formula for finding the power set is 2 power n. 2 power n means it depends on the number of elements in original set. Okay, we have 3 members, so total number of elements in power set will be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 members. And null set means 0 element, no element, so it will not be empty itself. It will have just one member, empty itself. Okay, you must keep in mind that power set will never be empty. If you find the power set of null set, you will get one member. Okay, if you find the power set of 4 members, there will be 16 subsets, 16 member of that power set. Thank you for watching my video. Share among your friends and promote my channel. Thank you.